Welcome back to episode 18 of EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. We're down here at Northampton Motorsport today and they're going to be installing this caged laser roll cage which has kindly been donated to the build. When we get back to EBC, I've got a few more little bits to show you, so I'm going to hand you over to James now and he's going to crack on with the install.
So we're going to put a cage in the Fiesta today. Stefan's already done a great job of stripping the interior out, so it saves me some work. We've got to clean the paint off, we've got some underseal to remove, we're going to weld some box section in. The cage will bolt to this, but we've got probably take the cage in and out a few times just to make sure everything's in the right place. Weld these in and then from there on it should be pretty straightforward, but we'll crack on, see how we get on. Okay, so Stefan left us the car for a few days. We'd not had a few issues, but there's a couple of things we had to run through. The cage was meant to fit, well, we thought it'd fit with an interior, but it turns out it doesn't. So we've had to do some headliner work, take the curtain airbags out, and then the base plates for the cage we had to make a couple of spacer plates for, just so it fit nice and snug. And then because the car was here for a few more days, we had the opportunity to actually prime the work we'd done after welding all the bits in, paint everything so it's all the right colour, and then went ahead and re-undersealed all the bottom of the car. So we've actually done a nicer job than we would have done if the car was staying for just a day. So I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. So we're going to get the cage in now and finish up the job.
So we've just got back from Northampton Motorsport. We're back here at EBC in the Centre of Excellence. Our roll cage has been fitted and it looks really, really good. So I need to put all the interior back into the Fiesta, but before we do that, I just thought I'd show you some of the things to come soon. We've got another set of wheels. We've got the Team Dynamics there. Delta Styling have also kindly given us a front bumper, which is going to allow us to run some brake cooling, a front splitter and a rear spoiler for a bit of aero. So thank you very much for watching this episode and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget that you can win this car at Dream Car giveaways for only £1.50.